Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Edge or the Bing app and signing into your Microsoft account. Once logged in, make sure experimental AI or Sora features are enabled in settings so the model appears. Then click the Sora icon or select Sora chat mode to launch. This routes your queries to the Sora assistant. As you do this, you'll notice different response styles. Choose concise or creative. Starting here ensures you have the right context and permissions before sending your first prompt to Sora. You now focus on prompt design to get useful Sora outputs. Begin with a precise instruction. State the role, desired format, and any constraints. For example, ask for 3 steps or a table. Next, supply context like audience, length limits, or sample input so Sora can tailor responses. Once done, review the reply and iterate. Request clarifications, ask for more detail, or change tone. Make sure to use system or assistant settings when available to lock behavior across turns. Finish by validating Sora's output. Verify facts, request reasoning, and adjust for tone or accuracy. Once satisfied, export the text, copy to your document, or use Bing integrations to save results into workflows. If you hit problems like hallucinations, wrong format, or missing context, reset the chat and refine your prompt with clearer constraints or toggle Sora experimental settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if answers go off track, reframe the task into smaller steps and ask Sora to confirm each step before proceeding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.